Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 the settings app crash problems. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your right click on settings icon and go to your app settings. Scroll down and click on a repair option. After that, click on reset. Once again, go to your right click and go to your app settings and reset it. Now, after that, the working will be completed and your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is set in the search box, type a CMD and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now. After that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. Okay guys, the last method is that open any browser, go to your any search engine and type a Windows 11 download. Click on first link, scroll down and click on download now. Create Windows 11 is installation media. Click on download now. Save button. After doing this step, open it. Click on accept button. Click on next button. Select the ISO file. Click on next button. Save any location. Okay guys, after completing that, click on finish it. After that, go to your save location. In my case is in download section, so open it, open a setup. Now after that, click on next button. Now after that, automatically restart your computer, and after restart your computer, your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Now you can see data. In my cases, my PC does not currently meet Windows 11 system requirement. And if your computer is according to your Windows 11 requirement, then it's automatically restart your installed and restart your computer. After doing this, that your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.